80 वर्षांहून अधिक काळ कार्यरत असलेल्या या संस्थेत आम्ही दृष्टीहीन मुलींना स्वतंत्रपणे आणि सन्मानाने जगण्यासाठी सक्षम करत आहोत. आमचा प्रवास कमिन्स इंडिया फाउंडेशनसारख्या भागीदारामुळे अधिक मजबूत झाला आहे.
Cummins India and Pune School for Blind Girls have shared a remarkable partnership over last 60 years. Till date, 1,500 students have taken benefit of this partnership, gaining skills and confidence to succeed in life. Our vision for future is to provide holistic education and skill upgradation, which will help these students get ready to face challenges of 21st century. A unique aspect of this partnership is the active involvement of our employees with the school. From tending to kitchen garden to conducting safety audits, our employees find these experiences incredibly rewarding. Many dedicate their times to mentoring students, inspiring them to dream big and gain a broader perspective on the world. These meaningful interactions benefit both the students and our employees, fostering a sense of community and shared purpose. Kitchen Garden is one of our most impactful projects for this school. What was once a barren land is now flourishing with a lot of fresh and organic vegetables for the students and the school at large. Our employees help maintain this garden by preparing the soil and doing the plantation. This sustainable food source not just nourishes the student but also provides them a sense of environmental awareness.
Cummins India Foundation has been partnering with the Pune School and Home for the Blind Girls for decades now. We've been solid and happy neighbors in this location at Pune for several years. We started this partnership with support on infrastructure like with dormitories, labs and others. We moved on recently to more innovative initiatives like AI-enabled glasses, audio libraries and the sensory garden. What we hope is for the girls to thrive and experience the nature and have limitless opportunities without barriers or challenges. Projects like UDAN take our commitment to the very next level. UDAN is very close to our hearts. This is a program where we are trying to train the children and impart various kinds of skills in them, ranging from telecalling, computer operations, and even leveraging their creativity in things like making chocolate, bakery products, etc. Our endeavor through this project is for them to gain financial freedom eventually. UDAN means to soar, and these girls have the innate ability within themselves to fly very high. Our hope is that we become the wind beneath their wings.
कमिन्स इंडिया समर्थकापेक्षा आमचे हे कुटुंबच आहे. त्यांचे प्रोजेक्ट आणि त्यांचे कर्मचारी यांच्या सहभागामुळे आमच्या शाळेला महत्त्व आले आहे. उडान प्रकल्पामुळे मुलींचे जीवन बदलून गेले आहे आणि त्यांना स्वप्न पाहण्याचा आणि साध्य करण्याचा त्यांना आत्मविश्वास वाढला आहे.
आजचा दिवस किती छान आहे आणि मला एक चांगलं पुस्तक वाचायचं आहे आणि पुस्तक वाचण्याचा आनंद जरा वेगळाच असतो.
हो ना, अगदी खरं आहे. पण माहिती आहे का, मी पण आजपासून ऑडिओ लायब्ररीच्या माध्यमातून एक पुस्तक ऐकेन. त्यातला एक शब्द ना शब्द जणू की काही माझ्याशी संवाद साधतोय असं वाटतंय.
At Cummins, we have a deep-rooted commitment for removing barriers for those who have been historically denied access to opportunity.
Partnering with communities and enabling them to thrive is at the core of our purpose at Cummins India. My earnest wish is that we pave the way for a society where inclusion is the norm but not an exception. Join us in our efforts. Thank you.